Right, so solution built, and now see the storefront, and we see this drone category is the only one. Let's open it and see what we have there. So here are the two products we've just created, and let's open one of them. We can see two images we uploaded, and let's click add to cart. Now let's go to the cart, click checkout. Here we see some data to be filled in, and one of the fields is coupon code. Let's add the coupon code we've just created. In the promotion, we see that the coupon is valid, discount has been applied. We also see that taxes has been applied based on the VAT value we entered in the backend. So all is okay here. We can enter some email. Let's add some address. Let's go to the shipping method selection. And here you see these two methods options for the shipping method with the price enter we set presented here. So let's select one of them. Now we proceed to test payment method, also created for this one. And when I click next to create an order, we see the thank you page with the discount applied. So all is okay. This is how the storefront can be connected to the cloud-based deployed platform. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.